Mama Bird needs to tell you a little secret that I think you should know the truth about where you came from. It has to do with the reason why you don't look like all the other birds at school, why you're not allowed to sit in desks with all your brothers and sisters, and why you have sudden cravings for 8 oats and hay, and why your favorite movies include, but are not limited to, Black Beauty, Dreamer, and Seabiscuit. It's because, well, I had hot and drunken sex with a stallion in Laughlin 18 years ago. I'm sorry, Pegasus. Papa Bird isn't your real father. Your real father is a broken down racehorse with a gambling problem and a swing back. I don't know what came over me in the lobby of the Motel Inn. Maybe it was his long, flowing mane, his incredibly defined hind leg muscles, or his enormously giant eyes. But the next thing I knew it, after I introduced myself and down a couple of shots of tequila, I was in his bedroom chirping off the top of my lungs, "All right, you like a jockey, big boy, and I'll show you how to come in first place." I'm so sorry, Pegasus. It seems like Mommy had a flashback. But Pegasus, what do you say? Let's take a hold of your newfound identity with full force, and let's get you some horseshoes and a feeding bucket. But first, Mama Bird needs to make a little phone call to an old friend.